Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that question देख लेते हैं. Indian arts, Indian culture will cover the silent aspect of arts forms and the literature and architecture from ancient to modern times. The architecture of ancient Buddhist cities and reflects a blend of spirituals. The architecture of the ancient Buddhist sites reflected a blend of spiritual and functional design. Analyze the structural and the symbolic significance of Buddhist and architectural elements and with example and introductions. Buddhist sites and beautify and the combine the spiritual symbolize with functional designs and reflecting the core value of the faith and providing for the practicals need of the monastic community. Body. The architecture reflects a blend of spirituals and functional designs, symbolized, aligned and with the religious and teachings and with the Buddhist. Architecture mirrors the core principles of alignment and faith too. The nirvanas and through the symbols, structure, stupas and sachis embody the journey and towards enlightenment, symbolized the Buddha and teachings, functional space for religious and daily life. The architecture shaped as the places of worships, educations and monastics. Monastic combination of the aesthetic and practicals. Practical solution for the monastic and community, such as living quarters and assembly hall and released chambers. The Ajanta caves were designed for the both residential and the religious purposes and with artistic murals and depicting Buddha life and teaching. Structural significance. Structural significance of Buddhism architecture element. Stupas are released and the repositories. Stupas served as the secret chambers for released of the Buddhas and monks. With their circular forms, the enabling and circumambulations for worshippers. The great stupas at the Sachi built by the Ashokas provided a focus point for the pilgrims and with four cardinals and gates for entry. Chaityas and the congregations and halls and rock cut and chaityas and provided the large hall for the prayers and the assemblies, featuring and the bolted ceilings for the improved acoustics and supportings and the congregational worships. Karli and chaityas has Ada high and the revealed and roof and the stupas inside creating and the expansions and space for devotees and biharas for monastic life and biharas where the residential structures often arranged and around the courtyard and provided functionals and living quarters for monk. Biharas as the Nalanda University houses monk and scholars, integrating dormitories with spaces for communal learnings, rock cut caves and for the durabilities and rock cut and the achievement. Example by the caves aid the Ajantas and the demonstrated engineering innovations and carvings and centuries directly into the cliffs and for the protection and sustainabilities. The Ajanta caves carved into the rock face provided both religious and residential functions for monks. Toranas as the ceremonious gateways. The Toranas served as the gateways to the stupas and temples, demarcating streets and space and controlling access. The Toranas aid the Sanchi were the adorned with the intricate and carvings, symbolized Buddha's life event and key teachings. Guru. Symbolic significance of Buddhism and architectural element stupas as a mandalas. The stupas represents the cosmos and the journey to enlightenment, and with its the circulars and shape and symbolized the symbols of life and the rebirth and age. The great stupas at Sanchi symbolize the spiritual path from the earth and nirvanas. Bodhi trees symbolized architectural elements often including the Bodhi trees symbolized enlightenment and spiritual awakening. The Bodhi trees carvings aid the Sanchi Toranas remind devotees of the Buddha enlightenment. Harmikas in Chaityas and enlightenment symbols. The Harmikas and Chaityas represents and level of the consciousness and the attachment of nirvana symbolize striving, divine protections and spiritual authority. The Chaityas on the Sanchi stupas symbolize the Buddha spiritual sovereignty. Toranas is native symbols. Toranas depict the life of the Buddhas and serves as the visual representations of his teaching. The Toranas at Sanchi and depict an event from the Buddha life and the reinforcing moral lesson. Chaityas as cosmetics mountain symbols. The vaulted shape of Chaitya symbolized Mount Meru, representing the Buddha's spiritual and presence and the concern
very good.
between the physical and divine realism. Karle Chaitya's design evokes the Mount Meru as the metaphor for spiritual aspect, lotus motif as spiritual purity. The lotus flower symbolized purities and spiritual transcendence, reflecting the Buddhas rise above the worldly attachment. E.g. lotus carvings aid the Ajanta case symbolize spiritual awakenings and the purity of the Buddha teaching. Conclusion. Buddhist architecture's timelines integrated of forms and functions not only served the practical needs of its the followers, but also convey deep and the spiritual symbolized. This the harmonious blends continued to inspire modern architectural practices, reflecting the enduring relevance of Buddhist value in creating space that are the spiritual, meaningful and the functionally effective. Modern Indian history from about the middle of the 18th century until the present. Significant event, personalized issues. Question 1. Analyze the historical significance of the Gadar movement in the context of India freedom struggles. How did it the influences subsequent revolutionary activities against British colonial rule? Introduction. The Gadar movement of 1913 was one of the India's earliest organized revolutionary efforts and mobilizing the Indian diasporas against the British colonials and creating the lasting impact on future's anti-colonial struggle body. Historical significance of the Gadar movement. First overseas the revolutionaries movement, the Gadar movement united expatriate and Indian settings in the preceded and for the international anti-colonial activities and established in and the San Francisco 1913 by Lala and Hardayas. It's aimed to inspire the Indian globally and to fight for freedom, secular and the anti-colonial ideology, promoted secular ideals uniting Indians across religious lines and for other common causes of independence. Gadar Secular's foundations influences later freedom movement and focus on other unified India and propagandas and mobilizations published the Gadar newspapers to expose British injustice and which inspired local and the global resistance. The paper was the circulated globally, spreading and anti-colonial sentiments among Indian worldwide. Armed and resistance philosophies, the movement and emphasis armed struggles challenged the nation that India and freedom could be the born and through the peaceful means alone. E.g. the planned the major uprising in 1915 with the supports from the voluntaries and like the Raj and Biharis both encouraging for the grassroots and rebellions. The movement inspired the peasant and laborers to question colonial rule and consider active and resistance. Farmers in Punjab and began to the mobilize drawing from the Gadar and ethos with some attempting local uprisings in 1915. Influence on the subsequent revolutionaries activities inspired future revolutionaries groups. It's the ideology led the foundation for organizations like the Hindustan Socialist Republicans Association HSRA, the promoting armed and resistance. Bhagat Singh acknowledged the influence of Gadhar's revolutionary ideals on his approach. Legacy of the martyrdom. Gadhar members and many sacrificed the victims are the symbols of resistance, encouraging others to the join anti-colonial efforts. E.g. Gadrites and like the Karthars and Singh and the Sharabhas becomes the icons for the future freedoms. Fighters symbolized and dedicating to independence. Global Revolutionaries Network established likes with the others and anti-colonial movement, creating the international network of revolutionaries. Supports formed the connections and with the group in Japan and Germany during the World War First for aims and supports. Foundation for anti-colonial literatures inspired writings that the condemned and the colonial rules and which the influences education you in India. Work of Lala Lajpat Rai and the Draw from the Gadhars and the ethos inspiring youth to join the revolutionaries activities. Impacted in Indian diaspora's roles in the freedom struggles. The movement spurred diaspora's community in other the countries to contribute to India and freedom struggles financially and ideologically. In Canada and the US, Indian expatriate and becomes the vocal supports of Indian independence post and Gadar movement. Conclusion. Gadar movement was the catalysts and for India's revolutionaries reals leavings are the legacy that the fortified the freedom struggles intensities. It is message of resilience and sacrifice induced, inspiring future generation to afford the value of independence and duty. With reference to the Amrit and the Parampara, discuss how the culturals and festivals can be used as platform to revive the fading traditions and art forms in India. 10 minutes. Introduction. India diverse and cultural heritage is under the threat as the many traditional art forms face the extinction Cultural festivals like the Amrit and Paramparas provided the critical platforms to revive thus the traditions and ensures there's the continuations in other modern context body. Amrit Parampara key point. Part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Parampara is part of the borders and the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav initiative aimed at the reviving and endangered traditional art forms while the command commemorating India's 75 independence anniversaries, reviving indigenous and arts. The initiative focused on the showcasing and cases now art forms, providing even visualities and safeguarding there's the heritage through the performance and festivals. Platform for emerging artists. Amrit Parampara and encourage youth artists to the showcase their the talent and learn from the established master matters, ensuring the transfer of skills and across generation. Government support. The Ministry of Cultures provided essential funding and organization backing promoting regional cultural forms on a national scale. Diverse cultural inclusions. The initiative cover a wide range of cultural forms from classical music to tribes and folk art, celebrating India's best and the cultural diversity. How culture festivals revive the tradition art forms, exposures and awareness. Festivals and showcase traditions art form to a wide and audience, boosting visibilities and raising public awareness. The Amrit and the Parampara festivals highlights classical dance and forms such as the Kathak and the Bharatanatyam, introducing them to newspapers and audiences. Economic support for artists and festivals creates the revenues and esteem for the artists and through performance and exhibitions, securing their livelihood. The Kund and Mela provided the artisans and with other platform to sell the handicraft and an item directly, ensuring the financial support for their the craft. Inter and the generational knowledge transfer. Thus, the festivals and facilitated the teachings of the traditionals and skills from the masters and artists to the younger generations, preserving cultural festivals, e.g. Guru Shishya and the Paramparas events under the Amrit and the Parampara emphasis, learning directly from the seasons and gurus in field and like the classical music, innovations and fusions, festivals encouraging and the collaborations between the traditionals and modern artists, keeping art forms relevant and dynamic. The Serendipity and Arts Festivals fosters innovations by the promotings and collaborations between the folk artisans and modern designers. Culturals and identity and the pride. Festivals help the strengthen regionals and the nation's identity while celebrating local traditions and fostering the scene of pride in heritage. The Hornbill festivals in the Nagaland and showcases tribal arts helping the preserved the cultures and identity of the region's indigenous peoples. Government and the institution supports. Government sponsored and festivals ensure the sustained attention and the resources for reviving indigenous arts forms and Sangeet and the Natak Academy and Puttul and Parampara focused on reviving traditional and poetry arts across the various regions. Cultural festivals like the Amrit Parampara and play a crucial role in reviving the India feedings traditions arts form by providing disabilities financial supports and education platforms as India modernized and sustained government backing and the public engagement will be the essential in ensuring these traditions continues to thrive. Analyze the impact of climate driven and vegetation changes on human migrations and the rise and falls of dynasties in the ancient India. 10 minutes. In ancient India, climate-driven vegetation changes profoundly influences migrations patterns and the socio-political dynamics of early civilizations, often determining the stabilities and the deadline of dynastic powers. Body impact of climate-driven